Good afternoon. It's March 18th, 2025, and today we had this move down that really just went sideways for the rest of the day. Um, I think it was reasonable to not really expect it to go higher. With the move down, it seemed pretty unlikely after this tight bear channel that we would, you know, create a move to the upside. Um, and with this bar already being about the average size of at least these past six bars, um, I think it's very reasonable that this range happened. So anyway, so in the overnight we had this sell off, and then we had to move up back to the other side of the EMA, and I'm sure the bulls were just trying to test this high, but that failed. And at about 5 o'clock, you get this second entry short with a poor signal bar, but then you get another lower high right at the EMA, very bearish. I think that's a great entry. And then you get the same pattern right here. Second entry short, not a good signal bar, lower high. Boom. And at this point, you have the trend line. Big move down. Second entry short right here, but you're a bit away from the EMA. Lower high, and you're just chopping into new lows. Finally, you get a break, and then we just start going sideways in this range. Breaks out to the low side. Could you take this? You could take this lower high. Second entry short as well. And then it looked like we were in a downward channel. Um, and then we started forming this bull channel. And then you get a break below, move to a new high, and then it looked like it was going to break lower, and then it didn't. You get another new high before it finally moves and doesn't quite hit that measured move before bouncing. And then you get this big bull bar, pulls back, again, another leg up, and then you get a break. And then the way I seen it was we were making higher lows. Now it looks like it's just a very broad bull channel. Uh, I also had this triangle drawn. Could just be like something like that. And so, you could definitely sell this. You could buy down here. You could sell this second entry short. Um, these are aggressive, but buy on a limit order down here. That happened very fast though. And then boom, we break out to the high side. It fails. I think this one you could take. Very bearish bar. And then it bounces, and just a lot of overlap. So I think something I want to point out is that in the past 2 weeks or so, 3 weeks maybe, it's been uh pretty clear what we're doing and pretty easy to trade. So now we have a break of this bear channel. It could get a little more like this stuff up here. So just be on the lookout for that. And you know, if the trading gets a little more confusing, just be ready. So I hope everyone had a great day, and I'll be back tomorrow.